Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6318. It's run from 11th 2005 to 11th 2012. It has a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2ZAZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear taillight, right rear taillight, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,